morning. We are a bit in a rush because we have to go. We found a job and we found a car. I will show you in a minute. Joey's already packing everything. So we have to hit the road now. This is our new car. We chose this one because we will get accommodation at our job, so we don't need a van anymore to sleep in. I think we are ready to go. I'm still waiting for Joey. Oh, there he is. Ready?
Yes.
Good.
Good to go.
Yes. Give an update because we haven't filmed much lately.
Yeah, we've been really busy buying a car, buying a lot of stuff for camping.
Indeed.
And now we're on the road to get to our job.
Yes, we arrived on last Saturday and apparently that was the weekend of Australia Day. So it was a holiday for 2 days and yeah. We didn't knew that actually.
No, we had no idea.
No, so many things were closed and we had to wait till everything was open again. Well, now we arranged the things we had to arrange. We have a car, as you see, and we found a job in the outback. It's a 13-hour drive from Perth, so that's why we're on the road now. And in 2 days we will be there.
Yes. I can feel there's some wild animals near. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Nothing.
It's a deserted island.
Deserted desert.
Yes. Good morning!
Good morning!
We slept in our car for the first time.
Yes, and we don't have a lot of room.
No, yeah, we had to get used to it, but yeah, it's pretty decent.
It's working, we slept quite well, so we can't complain.
No, but it was smart to sleep early. Sunday now and it's our second week on the farm. Joey is making apple turnovers. Great, awesome. All right, we forgot to film our little cottage, so we will do that now. Yeah, we were a little busy the last 2 weeks because I'm a home tutor for a 4-year-old kid. His name is Ryan, and Joey is working on the farm as a farmhand. I will show you the area in a bit as well. So this is the area where we live in the outback of Australia. It's pretty hot at the moment because it's still summer, and yeah, it's around 40 to 50 degrees every week. So this is our little cottage, and you enter from this side. Luckily we have air conditioning, so it's not that hot inside. This is our kitchen. Living room with a TV which is not working at the moment. A big fridge with all our products. Ta-da! We made lasagna yesterday. Looking good, looking good.
Yes, yes.
Alrighty then. Our washing machine, it came in last week. Last Friday, I think, yeah. So now we can do our laundry. The bathroom, it's pretty small, but good enough for us. Toilets in here, and our bedroom. And then if we go here, we have a little patio or veranda kind of thing, so we can hang out outside if we want to, but it's too hot to chill outside at the moment, so most of the time we are sitting inside. All right, Joey's working outside most of the time and I'm working inside because I'm doing school things with the little one. And yeah, I think that's an update for now. Yesterday we did the groceries, and then we have to drive 2 hours to the nearest town and 2 hours back, so that's a 4-hour drive on one day. Yeah,
Just for doing groceries.
yeah, just for doing groceries.
And it's about 80 kilometers on a dirt track one way, so if you have to drive to the supermarket,
a little bit dark.
it's about 160 kilometers over a dirt road
Oh, there
in
you
the
are.
outback.
Thank you for watching this vlog.
Thank you for watching. The apple turnovers are just about to be ready, so we're looking forward to taste them.
Yes.
The coming few weeks we will probably not be vlogging a lot because we
No.
will be working on this farm quite a lot.
Yeah, but if we will do something excited, we will definitely film it, so stay tuned.
Stay
And
tuned.
otherwise, see you soon.
See you soon, guys.